Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Let's make instant sweet appam recipe. Alright, so let's check out the ingredients. 1 cup of suji, 1 cup of sugar and jaggery, half a cup of yogurt, half a cup of coconut, and 1 cup of milk. Let's mix it together. And keep it covered for 15 to 20 minutes. To enhance the taste, I have added 1 tablespoon of raisins, 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, and some cashews. I'm also adding baking soda, 1 teaspoon, and adding some hot milk just to blend it well. And heating up my non-stick appam pan, adding some ghee or butter in each compartments. Let it melt. Alright, time to add our suji mixture in each sections and cover it up for 2 minutes. Alright, so after 2 to 3 minutes, time to flip it to the other side just to get it cooked and nicely brown, just like so. And they are done in such short time. I hope you like this recipe. Enjoy this as a prasad or enjoy this as a snack, sweet snack, and to try it at home. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you have not subscribed to Foodland, please do so. Thank you. Bye.